Impact of climate change on pepper cultivation in Vietnam. Pepper cultivation is an important industry in Vietnam, with the country being one of the largest producers and exporters of pepper in the world. However, the industry is facing significant challenges due to climate change, which is impacting the productivity and quality of pepper crops. Rising temperatures, changes in rainfall patterns, and extreme weather events such as droughts and floods are all affecting the cultivation of pepper in Vietnam. One of the most significant impacts of climate change on pepper cultivation in Vietnam is the increasing frequency and intensity of droughts. Droughts can lead to reduced yields, smaller pepper berries, and lower quality crops. In addition, droughts can also increase the risk of wildfires, which can destroy pepper plants and damage the soil. To address this challenge, farmers are adopting water-saving techniques such as drip irrigation and mulching, as well as diversifying their crops to reduce their reliance on water-intensive crops like pepper. Another impact of climate change on pepper cultivation in Vietnam is the increasing incidence of extreme weather events such as floods and storms. These events can lead to crop losses, damage to infrastructure, and disruptions to the supply chain. In addition, floods can lead to soil erosion and nutrient depletion, making it more difficult for pepper plants to grow. To address this challenge, farmers are adopting practices such as terracing and contouring to help prevent soil erosion, as well as using flood-resistant crop varieties. Rising temperatures are also impacting the cultivation of pepper in Vietnam. Higher temperatures can lead to changes in the Timingan duration of the growing season, as well as increased pest and disease pressure. This can result in lower yields and lower quality crops. To address this challenge, farmers are adopting techniques such as shade-grown farming and intercropping, which can help to reduce the impact of higher temperatures on pepper plants. In addition to these challenges, climate change is also impacting the market for Vietnamese pepper. As global temperatures rise, the demand for spicier foods is increasing, leading to a shift in demand towards hotter varieties of pepper. This has created opportunities for farmers who can produce high-quality, spicy varieties of pepper, but it has also created challenges for farmers who are unable to meet the demand for these varieties. To address the impact of climate change on pepper cultivation in Vietnam, it is important to invest in research and development to identify new and improved farming techniques and crop varieties that are more resilient to the changing climate. In addition, farmers need access to information and resources to help them adapt to the changing climate, such as weather forecasting and risk management tools. Governments and international organizations can also play a role in supporting the pepper industry by providing funding for adaptation measures and by promoting sustainable farming practices that promote climate resilience. In conclusion, climate change is having a significant impact on the cultivation of pepper in Vietnam, with rising temperatures, changing rainfall patterns, and extreme weather events all affecting the productivity and quality of pepper crops. To address these challenges, farmers and government officials must work together to identify new and improved farming techniques and crop varieties that are more resilient to the changing climate. By investing in climate-resilient farming practices, we can help to ensure the continued success of the Vietnamese pepper industry and promote food security and economic development in the region. Vietnam is the world's largest producer and exporter of black pepper, with pepper cultivation playing an important economic and cultural role. However, climate change poses threats to the sustainability and productivity of Vietnam's pepper